This is the Orderflows Delta Scalper, how Delta can help you find better trades with low risk. The market recap for April 4, 2016. First, a quick disclaimer. This presentation is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered a solicitation to buy or sell a futures contract or make any other type of investment decision. Futures trading contains substantial risk and is not for every investor. An investor could potentially lose all or more than the initial investment. Risk capital is money that can be lost without jeopardizing one's financial security or lifestyle. Only risk capital should be used for trading, and only those with sufficient risk capital should consider trading. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Okay, so first I'll show a E-mini 5-minute bar chart or candlestick chart. This was this morning about, what was that, about 9:15. It kicked off a sell. This is the Delta Scalper. Kicked off a sell somewhere in this area between 63 and 65. You could have gotten short, and the market traded down, below 60. So there was a good 5 points you could have gotten out of that move. A little bit later, about 10:20, there was a buy signal kicked off. You could have gotten a long. You got these two bars trading below 2060. Giving you plenty of opportunity to get long. Even came back down, into the 59 level before taking back off again, and we just sort of went sideways around 63. Those were the only two signals. Oh, those were the only signals on a 5-minute chart. Okay, here's a 1-minute candlestick chart in the S&Ps. This is 8:20 this morning, just ahead of the cash open. It kicked off a buy signal. It didn't work out. After the cash open, a little sell signal. Market sold off a couple of points. Another buy signal around 9:18, 9:20. Market went up about 2 points. Here at just before 9:30, a sell signal followed by another sell signal, and the market sold off from 65 down to 59. It was a nice move. A couple of buy signals here. Couple sell signals, then a nice buy signal here around the 59.5, below 60, and the market went up about 4 or 5 points. What time is it now? Here's 12. Couple sell signals, mildly profitable. A buy signal, it didn't really work out. Another buy that failed. A buy, it kind of worked out until you got a sell signal, and then this nice sell signal here around the 59. 60 level, and it sold off about 5 points, 4 or 5 points given you. This here just before 145, 146, the sell signal. Yeah, it probably depends. I mean, it's telling you to get short somewhere around here, around this 58, 58 and a quarter, 58 and a half level. It did go against you. There's only a half a tick here. I don't know where you're gonna be putting your stops. But just because it trades up against you by a half a tick doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be getting stopped out. This buy signal, this one failed. This one, again, depending on where you got your stop, you're talking, 1 point, between here and here. Right? But you can be getting long somewhere in here. I mean, if you're giving it a point or two, it really depends. We're going on 5:30 here. Sorry, 5:30, 3:30. Gives you the sell. Basically, we're going into the close for the day. So there were some decent signals there on a 1-minute chart. In the bonds, there were a couple of trades. This is around 12:25, just before 12:30. Gave us a sell signal here. This is around the 165 even area, and we sold off half a point down to 164.16. Shortly thereafter, again, this bar here is after 2 o'clock, which is, considered the cash close. So it's debatable whether you'd want to take it, but, had you taken it, you got a ratio, which sort of adds to it, I feel. And, we got a nice run up, almost to the high of the day. So, again, you get a half a point, 10, 15 ticks here, another 10 or 15 ticks there. That's a nice trade. If you're just trading one lot, that's $1,000. Okay, just real quick, this is a crude 1-minute footprint chart. About 8:16 here, you got a buy signal. Market went up. 824, get a sell signal. You know, you had nice little move lower here. This one, 832, probably would have stopped you out. You know, before eventually turning around and going higher. Again, you know, depending on how, you know, for me, you know, 10 points, 10 ticks is usually a good enough stop. You know, yeah, I would have missed that move, but you know, you have to have stops in there at some point. You know, later, 935, there was a sell signal here. You know, this is around the 37 even area. Could have gotten short. You know, it came back a little bit towards the entry, and then another big down bar with another sell signal. You know, so you're talking 30, 40 points there. Here's 956 is a little buy signal. Kind of went sideways and followed by another buy signal, which didn't really work out. Here's a sell signal. The market kind of spent more time below it than above it. Here's another sell signal. Again, you know, you got to, depending on how well you traded it, you maybe got a few ticks out of it. Here's a buy signal, 1104. Again, just sort of went up, then went sideways. It's followed by a sell signal with the ratio. Market went down, a buy signal with the ratio. It kind of started to look to work out, and then it turned around and stopped you out. This buy signal didn't work. Here's a sell signal. This is already 12 o'clock, and you know, this was a decent move lower. And then, you know, another buy signal here around 12:30. Didn't necessarily work out that great, and you know, you're going into 2 o'clock already. You get the signal, which the market is just going sideways. Another signal, this market's going sideways. Okay, so again, you know, the Delta Scalper runs on NinjaTrader and it's designed to run on any type of chart. It can run on Orderflows volume footprint chart. It can run on bar charts. It can run on Renko charts. It can run on candlestick charts. It can run on range bar charts. It can run on almost any type of chart. Delta Scalper can be run on any intraday time frame. It said, you know, it takes into account delta. So running on end of day charts isn't going to do you much good. You know, it's a short-term indicator. For more information on the Orderflows Delta Scalper, visit www.deltascalper.com or orderflows.com. Thank you.